All right, y'all, I got some beautiful Louisiana shrimp. So I'm gonna show y'all how we fry them up down here in New Orleans, okay? These fried shrimp, y'all, we're gonna go ahead on and devein them and the whole 9 yards. See, if we were doing barbecue shrimp or like a shrimp bowl, something like that, you don't devein your shrimp because you leave the heads on them and the skin, right? So with this, we're gonna go ahead and do the whole 9 yards to them though, y'all. So check it out, it's gonna be absolutely delicious. Y'all gonna like this one. Shrimp about this size right now, y'all, in Louisiana is running about $4 a pound, so that ain't too bad. All right, y'all, so now we got all our shrimp peeled up. Everything looking good. Go ahead and rinse them off, okay? Because now what we got to do is devein them, but you need to be able to get a good grip on them. And if they're all slimy and stuff, you can't do that, okay? So go ahead and give them a good rinse. A nice deep cut in the front, y'all. So about right there, halfway through. And then go into the water with it, clean it out. Get that vein up out of there. And I'm gonna show you why I like mine like that. I'm gonna show you why in a second. All right, y'all, now, so we're gonna make a wash now. Go ahead with 3 eggs, a half a cup of milk, and we're also gonna go ahead with some Cajun seasoning. I'm gonna show you. We got 3 eggs, a half a cup of milk, Cajun seasoning. And we're gonna go ahead on, y'all, and give that all a nice good mix right there. Just like so. Go ahead and give it a good mix, y'all. Something like that. It's good enough right there. And get your box of this Zatarain shrimp fry, y'all, seasoned already. And we're gonna add some more seasoning in that because y'all know we love that flavor, okay? On a separate bowl, you go on that right there, okay? Now go ahead with your Cajun seasoning, y'all. All right, now let's go ahead and get all these good shrimp double battered, okay? I'm gonna get 2 of these batters on it. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Go ahead and get a beautiful cover on them, okay? I'm gonna grab the rest out this bowl. Back to the egg wash again for the 2nd time, okay? Get a good old wash on that. And then the final step, y'all, is to take these here shrimp. Now go back into that batter for the 2nd time, y'all. Look at that, okay? That's how you want it, with a big, beautiful coat on there. Just like so. Deep fry. It's set at 350 degrees, y'all. So now we're ready to roll. We're gonna go with shrimp on one side, and then we're gonna go ahead with the other side with the French fries. Check this out. Talk about good luck. Man. And then we're gonna do some fries on the other side, okay? Get you some good old fries up in there. Just like so. No, drop that puppy in there. Working with something now. I'm gonna let them cook, y'all. They're gonna start floating to the top when it's done. About 3 minutes, okay? They're gonna be nice and beautiful, golden brown. All right, y'all, it's been about 3 minutes. Check the beauties out. I'm gonna take them out, take the fries out, put them to a cooling rack, okay? A little grease strip off first, look, boom. Straight to the rack to cool down. All right, y'all, now we got some beautiful Louisiana golden fried shrimp. You can go ahead and put some lemon juice on there, some hot sauce. Got some French bread. You can go ahead and make yourself a po' boy. So many options when you're talking shrimp, okay? But these shrimp right here are absolutely delicious. Go ahead and give it a try. If you like what you've seen, give me a like, a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I definitely appreciate y'all.